What's going on, my sweet friends? So today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a fast food French fry mukbang taste test challenge type of thing. And yeah, so first things first, I obviously have to get my fries. So I'm here at Burger King and I'm going to just get some fries. So let's get it. I'm just gonna go through the drive-thru and I'm just, oh, my bad. I'm just gonna try to get the smallest size. Hi, can I just have a small fry with ketchup?
One small fry, anything to drink, or Oreo cheesecake?
No thank you.
$1.79, one to two, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a wonderful day.
Thank you too.
Thank you.
Alright, so we got the Burger King. So obviously, y'all know, I think they still have the nacho fries. If they don't, I'm gonna be really disappointed because I'm obsessed. So, can I just have an order of nacho fries, and then also can I have a large water?
Nacho fries and a large water?
Yep.
Anything for you?
Can I actually have some like extra cheese with that as well?
Okay.
And that's all.
$1.79.
Thank you. Thank you too. Alright, did I get a straw? Good, I got a straw. We got that $3 and change. And alright. So obviously I'm gonna know the shape of the Chick-fil-A fries because they're waffle fries, but I couldn't leave Chick-fil-A out of this fry video because we all know their fries are literally amazing. So I'm literally pulling in right now.
Chick-fil-A, how may I serve you?
Hi, can I just have a small fry with Polynesian sauce and ketchup?
Small fry, Polynesian, and ketchup. Sure, that completes that order?
Yep.
Alrighty, $1.75. We'll be happy to serve you at the window.
Thank you.
Sure.
They're so sweet. They're literally the nicest people. He didn't say my pleasure, but he said we would be happy to serve you, which is, you know, just as good. So total
$1.75.
$1.75. There you go. That's good. So now we are on to Wendy's. Love Wendy's. I don't think I like their fries very much. I did a Wendy's mukbang probably at the beginning of the channel. So if you guys want me to do a Wendy's mukbang, like an updated one, you know, with different foods and stuff, definitely comment down below because I will do one. I love Wendy's. I just don't know if I like their fries as much as I like their burgers and like the chicken nuggets and stuff.
What can I get for you?
Hi, can I just have a small fry with ketchup?
Okay.
And that's all.
You're told me $1.89 first window.
Thank you. What?
Ketchup, right?
Yeah.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you too. Alright. We got the Wendy's. Okay. I had no clue there was a McDonald's over here though, for real. I like looked on Google and I was like, where is there a McDonald's? Like, I keep looking at the viewfinder just because, you know, the lighting is wonky as ever. Oh shit, just went over the curb. Hi, can I just have a small fry?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
$1.50 first window.
Thank you. Hi, thank you.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Alright, so we got the Mickey D's and we are ready to eat the food. Oh shoot, I think the fry's about to fall out. Okay guys, so I'm ready. I have my mic on. Hopefully it sounds good. If it doesn't, I just won't use the sound from the mic. Have my tray and I'm ready to go. So first place that we went to was, what was it? Burger King, I'm pretty sure. So we have Burger King right here. And it's still hot. It's warm, you know. We got Burger King with some ketchup. So we'll just put the ketchup down. The next place we went to was Taco Bell. So, oh yes, love Taco Bell fries. Right there. The next place I think I went to was Chick-fil-A. I didn't even know they had a small fry, to be honest. Okay, it comes in a little bag, so we'll just put this on that. Okay, for now. Next place I went to was Wendy's. Love Wendy's. Okay. Oh, I almost tried it, but I can't try it right now. Oh shit. And the last place I went to was McDonald's. So love their fries. Now what I'm going to do actually, so we're first going to do a blind taste test. So I have all of the bags that all of the french fries came in. So how I'm going to start is basically I'm going to be putting them into different bags that they came in. I'm going to be closing my eyes and just randomly picking a bag. So, okay, and then randomly picking a fry. Okay, and ba-bam. That's one. And then we have, I don't even know what's in there. Okay. Well, we have some fries right here. This could end so bad. Oh, well, I already know what fries these are, but you know, that's okay because they're the only ones that don't have like a normal shape of french fries. Do we have more fries? Okay, so we have fries right here. We have a bag right here. And we're just going to be pouring them. Good thing I didn't miss the bag. And then the last one, fries. All right. So we got all the fries. Wow, that was a mess. I'm gonna be picking this McDonald's bag. I really don't know if I got McDonald's fries in this one or not, but we'll be closing my eyes. Take a sip of water first since I just ate that fry. All right. Well, okay, well, I obviously already know which ones these are because of the shape, but they're waffle fries. I can just feel it, you know? But this is Chick-fil-A fries, obviously. Yeah, so that was just a dead giveaway. We'll just be doing the Wendy's bag now. Clean my palate real quick. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but that's the fry. I think this one's McDonald's. Let's see. No! Yo! These ones, were these McDonald's? I think they were McDonald's. I think these ones right here are McDonald's. I'm just gonna, yeah, I think these are McDonald's. I think. The next one, this bag, fry, let you guys see it. Oh shit, no, no. These ones that I'm eating right now, these are definitely McDonald's, and the last ones I ate were Wendy's, okay? Yeah, I can just tell by like the shape that is freaking McDonald's. So I guess Wendy's, Chick-fil-A. So it went Chick-fil-A so far. That was the first one. Then Wendy's, and then McDonald's. There's only obviously 2 more options. Here's the fry. Kind of cold. These are not barbecue. Wow, these are Burger King, but they're not very good. Like, they're alright. They need some more salt on them now. That's how it looks. Burger King just has like a specific like texture. Like, it's really mashed. It's like really potatoey, you know? So, yeah, definitely Burger King. And well, obviously, this one's gotta be Taco Bell, but I can just tell by the smell. Love the fries. Okay. So yeah, obviously freaking Taco Bell fries. So, I guess I'm gonna start off by, let's think. We're gonna be ranking them from like my favorite to my least favorite. So my number one, which means like, you know, my top choice for fries. Honestly, might have to be Chick-fil-A. They're just so good. And I think I just really like shaped fries. But my number two, is this it? Those are not it. It's funny, I put the Wendy's fries in the Wendy's bag. I didn't even know I did that. Okay, so my number two is McDonald's. Oh my gosh, I have so many fries. My number three has to be Taco Bell. Because, like, the seasoning on these are delicious. So my fourth would have to be Wendy's. Wendy's was alright, but it wasn't, like, fire, you know? We're just going based off of taste, by the way, if you didn't already know that. Alright, and then the last one has to be Burger King. I thought I freaking loved Burger King fries, but I guess I don't, based off of, you know, how I've rated them here. Maybe it's because they're, like, the coldest of them all. But, okay, well, I'm going to have a fry stuck in my seat. Alright, so maybe we should take a new thumbnail because we got all the fries set out. Alright, and now we are just going to feast, okay, because I am hungry. We're just going to start off by just eating it with the cheese. Ugh, love that nacho cheese. Well, you know, of course it goes with the nacho fries, so I'm going to be eating it with all other fries, too. Let's try it with some McDonald's fries. Fire. The waffle. Cheese on anything, honestly. Which is exactly why I asked for double cheese, because it's so good. I'm honestly so happy that I'm filming this video because French fries are my jam. Like, I love fries. Okay. Oh, it's a bird. I just love cheese. Like, seriously? What time is it? I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna be in like a food coma after this video. Oh, a fry coma. Maybe I should sit up a little bit so you guys can see my face. Why do I keep going for the Burger King if I put him last? I don't know. Oh yeah, I put them last because even though Wendy's fries really aren't that great, they had more salt on them than Burger King did. I could literally eat fries all day. I love potatoes. The nacho fries are like, they're like sweet kind of too. They got sweet and spicy seasoning on them. I can't wait to go home and lay in my bed. And I still haven't worked out for the day too, so like I'm gonna have to work out too, which is good because you know I need to get this out of my system. Oh, the sodium and whatnot. The reason I got so much ketchup though is because I love these little ketchup packets. Like I can just use them at home. Okay, so I think we're gonna move on to our next thing of cheese because this one's basically empty. I'm literally in just fry heaven right now. The cheese is still warm. Yes. Like the side that was like my least favorite has like so many fries on it, and then the other side is, you know, getting less and less fries. I do have to admit that like McDonald's fries have the best crunch though. Out of all of these fries, definitely have the best crunch. Ow. I'm getting tired. Okay, so obviously it is from a little bit of a different angle now because my camera right here, you know, overheated. So yeah, but I still have my food right here, but this is how much food we have left. Not very much, guys. I kind of devoured it, and honestly I probably really won't eat dinner later today just because I'm not feeling it. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys want me to do more like collective videos like this where like I get like food from like different restaurants and like put it into one video, definitely comment down below. I had so much fun doing this, and I just love french fries, so like honestly I was bound to have fun. But I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, remember to comment down below your video request and like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never I touched the mic, my bad. Okay, so you never miss a video from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.